Hwatang Optics was founded in 1984. Our company specializes in producing magnifiers and visual aids. As the magnifier manufacturer, moreover, we are also the agency of many well-known optical brands. Taiwanese distributor of Eschenbach, Bushnell, Apresys, I.L.K, Motic and Dino-Lite, including many types of magnifiers, telescopes, and microscopes. We are the finalists in 2019 Taipei City Technology Assistive Device and 2020 New Taipei City Featured Product Selection. Hwatang Optics help many people resolve low vision issues. Customers can see clearer and perform better at work with the assistance of our products.
Better vision is our mission. We cooperate with many Taiwanese professional optometrists. Great refractive correction with great visual aid can be the best vision. Hwatang Optics will keep finding user needs. We will research and develop more new products to make people see better and more comfortable, from Taiwan to the world.